Hey, little bastards. What are you doing? You're just gonna sit there and look cute. Turning my fucking garbage up. What do you... boy, you got balls. Hey. Hey. You want me to smack on your ass? Hello? Hello? Are you seeing this shit? Are you seeing this shit? Are you seeing this? You're seeing this, right? Are you having fun? Hey. Hey. What are you guys doing? Your mom's gonna spank you. Go. Go ahead. I see you, cute little bugger. Don't look at me like that. I'm about to come over there and pet you. And what about you? I see you. I see you. Quit freaking tearing my garbage up. Yeah, where are you gonna go? You can't even fit through the freaking fence with your big butt. Unreal. Are you guys done now? Alright.